Hello everybody. We are located today at the Safety Harbor Waterfront Park, and over here is the Safety Harbor Veterans Memorial Park. And at this location we've had a lot of damage caused by Hurricane Helene that just went through. So we're going to take a real quick tour. One thing that this area is known for is the Pier, which is known as the Fire Marshal Dick Brock Memorial Pier. Everybody just calls it the Safety Harbor Pier, but it has been completely washed away due to the Hurricane Helene. Let's take a look at it. Here's part of the pier here. This pier used to have a canopy out there where everybody used to go fishing and have shade. It's completely destroyed. There's a lot of lumber still floating in the water. Alright, we're looking at more of a side view of where the pier stood and the remnants of it are. Sorry for the wind. Another thing I want to show you here is the grass area that used to be grass right here. It's all washed away. It's probably about 10 inches of soil missing, in some cases even over a foot of soil that's missing from this area here. And a lot of it has been deposited into the parking lot here. So here in the parking lot there's piles of soil much as a foot tall here. Alright, we're looking at Veterans Memorial Park over here. It's right next to the pier. For the most part it looks in pretty good shape. But we have some trees that are down here. Another tree that's flipped backwards and down. We've got some kind of communication box that's been completely broke free. Cable snapped. And over at the public facilities, we got some pots over. One of the fancy pots is broken. Waterfront Park's just a field, so there's really no damage over there. There's many of these green communication boxes like we just saw, and then here's one here that's completely tipped over, ripped free. Got some high voltage wires exposed right there. There's the top of that tube there. Here's another one over here. Salt water pushed up all this debris. There's another communication box that's in very bad shape. Alright, by the Marina, they have decorative wood planters around the palm trees, and they have all been busted up, washed away. All these palms had these large wood planters. Some of the beams for those wood planters are all the way up at the road known as Bayshore. One there in the parking lot. One over there in the parking lot at the entrance. There's more communication boxes just laying there in the soil.
Ooh, sick. I wouldn't touch it.
Alright, we're looking at the fountain that is located at the entrance to Veterans Memorial in the Waterfront Park. Looks in pretty good shape. There's all kinds of debris that's all around the fountain caused by the salt water that came up here. And here on the sidewalk deposited in the road and on the sidewalk, they've cleared the road, but is all this debris from the salt water thrown everywhere. Alright, here's another look at more debris that was cleared out of this area here. Planters that are all busted up. Look at a sign down over here. Alright, well, thank you for coming along on my tour of Veterans Memorial Park, Safety Harbor Waterfront Park, and the Pier. Thanks for watching.